హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ టు టాక్ ఆన్ సివిల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్. ఈ రోజు సివిల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ క్విజ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చూద్దాం. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1, the vehicle which holds the constituents of paints in suspension and make it possible to spread the paint evenly and uniform on the surface is called option A, base, option B, dryer, option C, binder, option D, pigments. Correct option is option C, binder. Second question, exceptional gradient in planes as per IRC. Option A, 1 in 90, option B, 1 in 15, option C, 1 in 40, option D, 1 in 30. The correct option is option B, 1 in 15. Question number 3, the hydraulic mean depth of a circular sieve running half full is equal to option A, D by 2, option B, D by 4, option C, D by 6, option D, D by 8. The correct option is option B, D by 4. Question number 4, in the context of elastic theory of reinforced cement concrete, the modular ratio is defined as the ratio of, whereas E is Young's modulus of elasticity, G is shear modulus. Option A, E of reinforcement material to E of concrete, E of concrete to E of reinforcement material, G of reinforcement material to G of concrete, E of reinforcement material to G of concrete. The correct option is option A, E of reinforcement material to E of concrete. Question number 5, a waterborne disease is option A, malaria, B, plague, C, dysentery, D, encephalitis. Correct option is dysentery. Question number 6, which of the following processes can be used for conversion of salt water into fresh water? Option A, microfiltration, option B, electrodialysis, option C, ultrafiltration, option D, reverse osmosis. The correct option is option B, electrodialysis, and option D, reverse osmosis. Question number 7, a rock toe filter in a earthen dam is provided on A, upstream end of the bund, option B, under the base of the bund, option C, downstream end of the bund, option D, at the center of the bund along the length. Correct option is option C, downstream end of the bund. Question number 8, duty should clearly state option A, time of measurement of water, option B, place of measurement of water, option C, method of measurement of water, option D, maximum rainfall. The correct option is option B, place of measurement of water. Question number 9, with respect to fluid flow, match the following in column X with column Y and state which one of the following combination is correct. The correct option is option A, that is viscosity is Reynolds number, gravity Prot number, compressibility Mach number, pressure Euler number. Question number 10, the dimension of dynamic viscosity is? Option A, m L minus 1 t to the power of minus 1. B, m L to the power of minus 1 t to the power of minus 2. Option C, m L to the power of minus 2 t to the power of minus 2. Option D, m L to the power of 0 t to the power of minus 1. The correct option is option A, m L to the power of minus 1 and t to the power of minus 1.